Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be a very productive day, but also I decided to bring you along into a full day of eating because that's one question that I get asked a lot is what I usually eat from day to day. I have a client call. For those of you who don't know, I am a coach to a few people that need more guidance with nutrition and the workout, and this is something that I love doing. So we have a call this morning with one of my clients, but also a good friend of mine. We need to go grocery shopping because there are a few things that are missing. I also have a workout plan. Now, regarding nutrition, I've been on maintenance for at least the past 6 months, and I kind of want to do a fall reset where I tuned in onto my numbers and my macros to see if I'm still on it or not. This is nothing serious, it's just fine-tuning. But today you're really gonna have a realistic day in my life in terms of food because I'm solo mom tonight and I plan on probably getting Uber Eats. So let's get this day started. I have done my client call and some laundry, cleaning up the kitchen, and now I am about to go do my workout of the day, which is going to be an upper body. And if you've seen my latest Get Ready With Me, I am trying more to do workouts that are my own, and the complete workout will be in the description box down below. So let's go and work out. So this is the fit for today. I have these Lululemon aligned pants and this Vitality top. It's a very nice fall day and I'm thinking about going and reading outside. I'm currently waiting for my egg to cook with my toast. Very basic lunch. I'm not very hungry, to be honest. I'm a little bit anxious today. I don't know why, really. I know that sometimes I have this tendency to have a very long to-do list for my day, and it gets me anxious because I want to like get through it, be efficient, but also I know that sometimes I need to take a break and relax. So that's what we are going to do. We're gonna go outside and read a little bit and hope that this anxiety leaves my body. It's 4 p.m. and I'm going to go and get my daughter at daycare, but since it's Friday, I'm packing her a little surprise. I'm having a few candies for when I pick her up, and obviously I'm having one. I will see you guys once she goes to sleep. I just put in my order for sushi for delivery tonight, and I plan on taking a glass of wine because it's Friday for everyone. Yeah, so I'm entering solo mom mode. Wish me luck. It's going to be great. It's Friday. Let's do this. I'll talk to you guys later. Just got this from Uber Eats. That never happened to me before. I had a pretty setting. Was expecting my sushis. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for dinner, and it's 7:40 p.m. I don't feel like whipping something up. What? I'm so mad. I don't get it. It says that it was with the driver. That's really like bananas. We have got to figure something out, and because what am I gonna order that is going to be here in like an hour? I'm hungry. Okay, so Uber really did cancel my order. I ordered it this afternoon, and it was supposed to be here between 7:20 p.m. and 7:40 p.m. And at 7:40, I received a notification saying that my order was canceled. I have nothing because I didn't go to the grocery because I decided to take this more like a relaxing day today. And I cannot go out because I'm a solo mom and my daughter is asleep. I put in an order on DoorDash instead. And I got a poke and I paid extra to get it faster just because I didn't want to wait another hour. So hopefully everything goes well. We just gotta move on, and I'm gonna be drinking a little bit of my wine while I wait. Poke was actually really good, but I am going to conclude this full day of eating because it's late, as in 8:30. I will make myself a cup of tea, and that will be it for the day. It didn't go as planned, obviously. I added extra tuna for the protein, so I'm guessing I'm close to my protein goal, so that's a win. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. If you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel, and don't forget to subscribe because I post new video every single week. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.